most people building with AI are using the wrong technique and are wasting thousands of dollars. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to avoid that mistake. So let's start with defining what RAG is, which stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. So RAG is basically giving the AI a library card to pull documents from a certain database. So in the most basic sense, this is what Retrieval Augmented Generation looks like. So you have this system in place where it's retrieving information from this vector database. This is the library card analogy. It uses its library card to pull information or the documents you have stored in the database. And then you give that information that's relevant to the user's prompt to the AI, which is a generator or a large language model, and it generates a response to answer the user's question. Okay, so fine-tuning is actually changing the parameters within the AI model. You might ask certain questions about what other symptoms that you're feeling. So it talks in a way that's representative of an actual medical. When you're using Retrieval Augmented Generation, you're supplying documents to the AI model, but you're probably going to use some sort of base model that can serve a wide range of people. Whereas if you're using fine-tuning, you're actually changing the internal parameters of how the AI talks. So the fine-tuning method actually sounds like it's a better idea. So why wouldn't you use that all the time? So the catch is fine-tuning a large language model actually uses a lot of computational resources. So if you were to fine-tune the large language models like GPT or Llama, then for one, you would need a lot of data in order for you to actually change the parameters of the model. And two, it actually costs a lot of time for you to train the model. Three, it actually costs money in order for you to fine-tune those models. Okay, so let's try to break down the specific costs of what it takes in order for you to deploy a RAG system. So for one, deploying something like Retrieval Augmented Generation is very quick. So if a client came to me and they said they want to build a chatbot and they have this data set of documents, it would probably take me a few hours to set something up in order for them to talk to those documents. If you were to fine-tune the GPT 4.1 model with the same number of tokens, 600 megabytes, you would spend around $3,750 for GPT 4.1, for the mini $750, for the nano $225, and for the O4 mini, it says it uses hourly pricing and not token-based training costs. So anyway, if you were to fine-tune a model, you can see that the prices of fine-tuning is actually a lot more than if you were to use something like RAG.